I watch a lot of people do DIY shit because why not? And this is something I've never seen anybody else do. So I need 2 more filament shelves in here, and I made them, but it's cold as shit outside right now. So paint doesn't like drying when it's cold. So I had an idea. Let's just paint them inside, right? Why not? Let's get going.
A little bit of loneliness, a little bit of disregard, handful of complaints, but I can't help the fact that everyone can see me fall.
They look pretty good except for one little tiny thing. This shit is not black. This is gray. This was supposed to be black. Why is it gray? Whatever. It doesn't look that bad. It'll work great for what I'm doing. It's fine. I'll clean up, let this stuff dry, and then tomorrow I'll throw them up in here, and I'll have filament storage. Alright, make cool shit. Have a good one.